In this video, we can talk about top 5 Crossplag alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone! Welcome to our Alternatives Co channel. Today, we have an exciting lineup of fantastic alternatives and competitors to Crossplag, specifically designed to elevate your writing experience to new heights. The top 5 alternatives of Crossplag, including Grammarly, Quillbot, Copyleaks, Corrector, and Pro Writing Aid. Without waiting any longer, let's get to the interesting part. Next one on our list is Grammarly. Grammarly is an advanced writing assistant that offers a wide range of features to enhance your writing. It offers features like grammar and spell check, improving sentence structure, and style suggestions. With its intuitive interface and browser extension, Grammarly is a great tool for writers, students, and professionals who want to improve their writing skills. One of the standout features of Grammarly is its advanced writing suggestions for sentence structure and style. Our first alternative is Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI-powered paraphrasing tool that helps you rewrite sentences and paragraphs while maintaining the original meaning. It offers features like Style Editor, Sentence Rephraser, Citation Generator, and Translator feature. It uses advanced algorithms to generate alternative suggestions, making it an excellent choice for content creators, bloggers, and students who need to paraphrase or rephrase text. One of the standout features of Quillbot is its ability of AI-powered paraphrasing while maintaining original meaning. Our third alternative is Copyleaks. Copyleaks is a comprehensive plagiarism detection software designed for academic institutions, businesses, and individual writers. It offers exclusive features like content analysis, API integration, and AI grader. With its intuitive interface and powerful scanning capabilities, Copyleaks helps you maintain academic integrity or protect your brand's reputation. And one of the standout features of Copyleaks is its multi-language support, allowing you to detect plagiarism in various languages effortlessly. Fourth one is Corrector. Corrector is a reliable tool that specializes in proofreading and error detection. It offers features like spelling error detection, suggestion of words, and extensions for different browsers. It meticulously analyzes your text, highlights the potential issues, and offers appropriate corrections. And the standout feature of Corrector that sets it apart from other tools is its deep learning technology, constantly improving its suggestions based on vast amounts of text data. Last but not least, we have Pro Writing Aid. Pro Writing Aid is a comprehensive writing enhancement tool that helps you polish your writing skills and produce error-free content. It offers features like data visualization, contextual guidance, grammar check, and plagiarism detection. Whether you're a professional writer or a student who wants to improve your writing, Pro Writing Aid can be an invaluable tool. One of its standout features is its ability to provide a detailed analysis of your writing and help you refine your style. When compared to Crossplag, Grammarly stands out as a comprehensive writing assistant that offers not only spell and grammar checks, but also advanced features like tone and engagement analysis. Quillbot, on the other hand, not only detects plagiarism, but is also great in improving your writing style and accuracy. Copyleaks comes with advanced algorithms and an extensive database that allows for accurate identification of any instances of content duplication, guaranteeing authenticity and originality. Corrector comes with deep learning technology and enhances its suggestions based on vast amounts of text data, ensuring your writing is polished to perfection. Lastly, Pro Writing Aid boasts a wide range of integrations with popular writing platforms, allowing seamless integration into your writing workflow. While all the alternatives mentioned have their unique strengths, when it comes to the best alternative to Crossplag, we would recommend Grammarly as the top choice. With its advanced writing assistance features, Grammarly offers a holistic approach to enhancing your writing. From grammar and spelling to style and engagement, this tool ensures your content is not only error-free, but also impactful and engaging. Whether you're looking for advanced grammar checks, powerful paraphrasing capabilities, thorough plagiarism detection, precise proofreading, or comprehensive writing enhancement, these tools have got you covered. Don't let your writing skills be limited. Explore these alternatives and take your content creation to new heights. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.